last day, the 28th of December, we have the 10, how we communicate with ourselves, the 3 as our homework, 7, 9, and the path is a 4. So today, you want to make sure you do everything according to the plan, according to the bigger plan, your plan, and only that what is in your plan is on your list. That's what you're doing, and try to do it one by one and focus and get things done. Maybe you still have something you want to finish from last year, so you can start fresh. It's a great day to reorganize and to really create your own personal plan. Because next year we have the 8 and the 10 as our year numbers. It's about energy management. It's about personal leadership. So clear whatever it needs to be cleared and make a plan for yourself. And remember, your words again are so powerful. So whatever you're saying, make sure that it is, it adds to your plan. So it's included in your plan, and it can help you. It can really serve you, or it can work against you as a total challenge. If you try to kind of skip steps, or whatever is here, like you still have some garbage in your head and need a little bit more meditation to clean out the garbage, because that's what meditation does. It's cleaning out your garbage, and your mind is cleaning out your mind. So happy to serve you, and remember to forgive. And remember that there's a path through every block. Smile and take it easy, step by step. And let go. We're letting go this year. This is a very intense year. I remember writing an article about the energy of 2025. If you would like to reread it, and see if you can recognize some of the energies that I predicted, that I saw from the numbers, then let me know. I'm happy to share it with you. And have a beautiful, beautiful day. Remember to forgive and to take time for yourself. And that's totally okay. So have a beautiful day and week, and thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and again, if you want to join the inner circle where you get more meditations, where you get the personal month numbers and personal message each month, also access to the workshop that we do where we look at the energy of the coming month, because each month has like 3 basic numbers that are the same all the time. Only the path and the soul change every day. So if you like to learn more about it, also if you want to use this numerology in your coaching or in your work with other people, or just see how it works for your family or for yourself, do reach out, because we have trainings, we have consultations, and we really want to help you and serve you. So thank you so much for being here. Share it in your own inner circles and become part of my inner circle. Thank you. Sat Nam.